everyone. This is another video from me, and this video is both about Minecraft and about technology tutorials. So that is two topics that I love to talk about combined. Today we will be talking about what I learned myself only a few days ago, how to redirect, so to say, your domain. For example, play .yourserverdomain.com, how to put that instead of your IP address, so you can join using your domain name and not only just your IP. I saw some tutorials about it, but many were like without sound, or some other were just about how to do it in cPanel, and I don't have cPanel. I have some other software that my hosting company uses, and I want to show you not only how it's done, but also I want to teach you what it means, so that you, when you want to change something, don't think, oh, what have I done there, but so that you can understand not only what to do, but why to do it. So this is my my web interface for my Minecraft server. I'm sorry it's all in German, because I'm obviously here in Germany using a German company. It's a professional game server, and here is the IP address of my server. I just for that video had to whitelist it because I don't know, the server is not yet ready, and I don't know how to like blur things out in iMovie, that software I'm using. This here is the IP. Normally I had to type in this IP to join on the server, and other people would have too if I made it public. So now I'm going to show you how and why to put your domain there instead of this long IP address. Okay, this is the customer center of my web hosting. I changed my web hosting because with my old one I had quite some problems. Sites were offline, and they said a payment would have not come through, and as I tried to send them the money again, they just straight send it back and still didn't let me access my sites and stuff. So I had a lot of problems with those, but I'm just starting all over again with this other web hosting company. I hope I have better experience with them. So you go to my packages, this one, like I will do that. I don't know how your web hosting provider has it, but what you're going to do is that you have to go to this DNS system, because you can't, like on websites, just do a redirect via coding or via some other method, but you have to really tell, like in the, so to say, database of all domains, that your domain leads to the IP address of your server. So, and we have to do that, but it's very easy. First I struggled with it, but yeah, it's really easy. Now let's go in here. They just show a warning that you should only use this if you know what you're doing. First I was not. I still had to try things out, but now I managed to do it. Here are my two domains. This one is still a website in progress, webcontentcreators.com, because I love to create all different types of web content, and I'm building just a site with community and tutorials and stuff for that. With the content management system, I have showed you in another video. I may put that in this video in the annotations, so that you know what content management I'm talking about. This one that's not very known, but open source and everything. But here, my server, I called it Blocky Nation. and I googled first that, of course, that the name wasn't taken, and yeah, here we have the A records that are like the so to say redirects, but on a much deeper level than just web browser redirects. The normal the normal .com address should lead to a website I've hosted here, or that I'm going to build about the server, so that shouldn't be redirected to my Minecraft server, but just stay here. And that one, the same is for mail dot and then the domain, so that should lead to the mail system they have provided me here, and not obviously not to my game server, but this other one, this third A record, this join.thedomain.com should go to my IP address for my game server. So I'm just showing you how to create one. There you can have different types, but for your need you need an A record. That is just the normal, so to say, redirect of IPs. Here, name. Well, I heard someone say in a tutorial, name, just use something that you can remember, like a comment or something, like saying this as name, this is for my Minecraft server or something, but that's not true, at least here. Here, name must be the subdomain or domain that you want to use. For example, I could make a second a record where I could make play.thedomain.com. So I had to type in play, and now here we had to put in the IP address. So I just go here to my to my game server hosting, copy the IP without the port, because here this is the Minecraft standard port, so that was really good for this, because this company didn't have a different port, so that I don't know how you would do it with a different one. No, now I remember. Then you just would have to tell your users to give to type in your domain.com and then the port. So yeah, this would be a little bit more complicated for your users, and people who don't know your server yet would have difficulties with that maybe. But this way you just paste in. This is paste here in German. Okay. Now you have play, meaning play.yourdomain.com or any other domain ending, and the target IP. This here means target IP, and IP4 stands for it should be an IP4 IP. Yeah, you just type in or copy and paste in your the IP that you want to target. So that's all about it. So you have just to say, okay, this is the subdomain I want to use, and this is the IP address it should go to. Well, then see you in a second inside of Minecraft, and I will show you that it works. And yeah, I hope you find this helpful. If you have any more questions, then please leave me a comment. Thank you. Okay, now we are inside Minecraft, and here we can see that join.blockynation.com is the same. That leads to here my IP address that I showed you before, 81.30.154.95. So it's both the same, even though it's really strange that here it shows really bad connection, but here it shows a really good one. But don't know, maybe this linking of the IP address to the domain maybe like make it a little slower. I don't know, but yeah, we can join here. I don't know where I am on the server right now, but yeah. Ah yeah, here I'm building some stuff. And yeah, like I can show you. Oh no, it's I think a little laggy, but I hope it isn't. Look, here is the place where I recorded my my 100 views special video, and we're here, and that's the one with join.domain.com. So let's log out of here and log into the one with the IP address. Ah, now they're synchronized. Now they're both the same connection. Or this one is even a little lower. I don't know why, but yeah. Now let's log into the one with the IP address. And wow, yeah, we are, of course, this is the original IP address. So yeah, so it should work. And this one is especially exactly the same thing. And yeah, I hope this has really helped you, and I can't wait to show you more things, like when I continue my server, and I can't wait to show you more great things that I build there and prepare for you, and I can't wait for you to see and play on my server when I have everything prepared. And thank you for there is a new subscriber since today, so I think his name is Expert Gamer or something like that. So thank you for you for subscribing. I'm very happy about this. I need only one more person to have 20 people. So yeah, come on, feel free to subscribe. It would really, really make me happy. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.